Good afternoon. This is stony iron meteorite, guys. Okay, here in the Philippines, stony iron meteorite. Okay, as you can see, we have the white flakes here. White flakes. Rigmalips. We have also here. Rigmalips. Okay. Okay, its color is like this. It looks like there is gold inside, guys. This yellowish, like this. But this is polymagnetic, guys. Okay. All portion of this is magnetic, okay? Like this here. Okay? This is polymagnetic, okay? Okay? Let's study the texture of this kind of okay? Like it looks like there's a gold inside of this kind of meteorite, guys. Okay? In our place, there are so many people who witness when it falls from the galaxy, guys. Okay? Okay? This is from almost 20 years ago. Okay, okay, for those who are expert watching right now, okay, you can message me direct here. Okay? All the characteristic of iron metal meteorite is found here. Okay, present here. Okay, this break here, we try to break this through a hammer, but unfortunately we can't break this one because it's too hard, guys. Okay, I don't have any cutting materials for this, guys. I can't afford to buy. I don't have cutter. Okay, this one I break this one here. I wash this by through water. This was only through water, guys. I clean this through water only. Okay. That one. This is the result of our hammer, but it's very hard to cut. Very hard, guys. Okay, let's study. Okay. Kindly message. Okay, that is polymagnetic, guys. Anywhere of this kind of this is magnetic. Okay, okay. For those experts out there, this is only a small stone, but it weighs almost 5 kilos, guys. Okay, 5 kilos. Okay, and this is the characteristic of meteorite. In a natural size of a stone like this, it won't reach 4 kilos, guys. I think only 1 kilo like this kind of stone, because it really looks metal, guys. Okay? But it really looks there is gold inside. Okay? Maybe a meteorite is mixed with gold. Okay? Like this, guys. So, any part of this is magnetic. Okay, here. It's magnet really sticks anywhere of this kind of a meteorite. Okay? This is available. If you need to buy this is available here. You just message me. Send direct message, guys. Okay. 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 This focus of what is inside this. Any experts out there, okay, you can comment down what is this kind of a meteorite. As long as I know, this is an iron meteorite, stony iron meteorite, but I'm not an expert. Okay? That is the texture of our meteorite. Okay? Here. Yeah, see? All the parts of this is very smooth, guys. This crack here, this one, I break this with my hammer, but unfortunately we cannot break this one like that halfway, because this is stone is very hard. Okay? Alright, thank you very much, and comment down. Hurry, this is for sale. Okay? This is heavy stone. Okay, thank you.